Guys, welcome back to the channel. Just got done taking the HPI Maverick out, 75 miles per hour. A little disappointed. It was a little breezy out here, but I don't think that really had too much to affect it. I think the ESC is just a little, doesn't have the ump to get it above that. I tried slow pulling it, I tried speed pulling it, and tried a couple different things. So, but I got my SpeedTek back to stock looking platform. I do have a max 10 in this one also, with I think the 3200 kV motor in it. Just 3S is plenty fast enough for these little cars. I was done with my speed runs with it, so I turned it back into just a little street basher. So it's still pretty fast. We're just out here having a little fun with it. Oh, a licking. Okay, I broke it. I broke it. That was a hard hit. Man, that was brutal. Let's see what the damage is. What we do? We snapped a link or something right off of it. Yeah, the whole link's gone. I'm gonna have to go try to find it. Oh, there she is. Oh, you know what? It just popped off of there, guys. Oh, we did something to it though. Oh, the dog bomb came out. There we go. Ooh. Turn that off so I don't have that noise. See if we can pop this bad boy on without taking it apart. Yeah, there she goes. Let's see what she does now, huh? I'll pop the battery out of its holder. Yeah, that was a solid hit, man. Okay, that's back in there. And I don't think I broke anything else, so everything else looks like it's still doing pretty good. Good to go. Good old Traxxas, man. Let's take a licking. Keep on ticking. Bad thing. Only thing about these tires is they are real slick, so when you start getting up to speed, these are the stock tires it comes with. This is the 2.0. Alright, I don't need this no more. I don't need my extender no more. Let's take that and put it down. And like nothing ever happened to it, guys. Need an open parking lot for this car. It's just so crazy. Oh, nice. Something ain't sounding good in it. Yeah, I think I might have shoved something in there forward too much. I hit the curb. Doesn't sound like it's spinning very smoothly anymore. Yeah, oh, okay. It knocked the dog bone out again. Alright. Hitting the curbs. So, alright guys, had a little fun with that, little quick video. I'm gonna pop this thing off and try to get the dog bone back in there and go from there. Please like, subscribe, and you guys all have a great day.